Italy, a canvas of natural and architectural splendor, captivates with its timeless allure. From the rolling vineyards of Tuscany to the grandeur of Rome's ancient ruins, beauty unfolds at every turn. Venice's romantic waterways weave tales of history, while the Amalfi Coast's dramatic cliffs kiss the azure sea. With each cobblestone street, sun-soaked vineyard, and intricate fresco, Italy's beauty whispers of a legacy etched in landscapes and cultures, forever enchanting all who wander its storied paths. So, in this video, we are exploring top 10 beautiful places in Italy that are so famous in the world. Number 10. Tuscany. Tuscany, a region straight from dreams, exudes an unparalleled charm. Its rolling hills, adorned with vineyards and cypress trees, create a serene backdrop that has inspired artists for centuries. Quaint medieval towns like Siena and San Gimignano preserve a timeless elegance, while Florence, the region's jewel, boasts architectural masterpieces and world-class art. The flavors of Tuscany, from the finest wines to rustic cuisine, dance on the palate like poetry. Each Tuscan corner holds stories of history and culture, inviting visitors to bask in the region's warm sunlight and immerse themselves in a landscape that defines the essence of picturesque Italy. Number 9. Cinque Terre. Cinque Terre, a coastal marvel, enchants with its colorful villages clinging to rugged cliffs above the Ligurian Sea. This UNESCO World Heritage Site unfolds like a living postcard, where Riomaggiore, Manarola, Corniglia, Vernazza, and Monterosso al Mare each tell a unique story. Narrow winding paths, adorned with vibrant flowers, connect the villages, offering breathtaking views of the azure waters below. Fishermen's cottages and seafood trattorias bring a sense of authenticity to this Italian treasure. Cinque Terre's beauty is both tranquil and invigorating, a harmonious blend of nature's splendor and human ingenuity that captures hearts and cameras alike. Number 8. Florence. Nestled in the heart of Tuscany, Florence stands as a testament to the artistic and cultural legacy of the Renaissance era. Its historic streets wind past architectural marvels like the Florence Cathedral, adorned with Brunelleschi's iconic dome, and the timeless beauty of the Ponte Vecchio Bridge stretching gracefully over the Arno River. The city's artistic treasures find their home in renowned museums, with Michelangelo's David residing in the Accademia Gallery and Botticelli's masterpieces gracing the walls of the Uffizi Gallery. With its legacy as the birthplace of the Renaissance, Florence continues to inspire and captivate visitors through its artistic, architectural, and cultural heritage. Number 7. Naples. Naples, a vibrant city perched along the Bay of Naples in southern Italy, exudes a unique blend of history, chaos, and charm. Its rich heritage dates back to ancient times, evident in sites like the Naples National Archaeological Museum and the catacombs of San Gennaro. The city's historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, teems with narrow alleys, Baroque churches, and bustling markets, while the iconic Castel dell'Ovo offers stunning sea views. Naples' energy is infectious, showcased in its lively street life, bustling pizzerias serving the world-famous Neapolitan pizza, and the buzz of daily life against the backdrop of Mount Vesuvius. Naples' chaotic beauty and historical significance make it a captivating destination for the adventurous traveler. Number 6. Lake Como. Lake Como, a picturesque gem nestled in the Italian Alps, enchants with its tranquil beauty and idyllic surroundings. Surrounded by lush hills and charming villages, the lake's serene waters reflect the elegance of historic villas and gardens that line its shores. Bellagio, known as the Pearl of the Lake, captivates with its cobbled streets and stunning vistas. Ferries glide across the azure waters, connecting towns like Varenna and Menaggio, each with its own distinct allure. The lake's natural majesty is complemented by the romance of lakeside dining and the sense of timelessness that pervades its atmosphere. Lake Como's serene allure has attracted artists, writers, and travelers seeking respite in its breathtaking vistas, making it a sanctuary of serenity and beauty. Number 5. Milan. Milan, a global hub of style and culture, beckons with its modernity and historical resonance. As Italy's fashion capital, the city pulses with chic boutiques along the elegant Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II and hosts the prestigious Milan Fashion Week. The majestic Milan Cathedral, or Duomo, stands as a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, while La Scala Opera House echoes with the melodies of centuries past. The contemporary skyline is defined by sleek skyscrapers, including the iconic Pirelli Tower. Milan's art scene shines at the Brera Art Gallery, housing masterpieces by Italian and European artists. Amid its bustling streets, the city's energy merges seamlessly with its rich heritage, making Milan a dynamic tapestry of innovation and tradition. Number 4. Venice. Venice, a mesmerizing aquatic wonderland, unfolds its magic through a network of canals and historic architecture. This city of bridges is a masterpiece of human ingenuity, with iconic landmarks like the Grand Canal winding past grand palaces and charming squares. St. Mark's Square is the heart of Venice, home to St. Mark's Basilica with its intricate mosaics and the soaring campanile offering panoramic views. Gondolas glide beneath arched bridges, evoking a sense of timeless romance, while the Venetian lagoon adds an ethereal quality to the city's backdrop. Venice's artistic heritage is celebrated in the Gallery dell'Accademia and Peggy Guggenheim collection. Its uniqueness lies in its car-free streets and reliance on boats, creating an ambience that's both surreal and captivating. Number 3. Bologna. Bologna, a city of both tradition and innovation, exudes a distinct character that resonates with history and academia. Known as La Data, the learned, Bologna houses one of the oldest universities in the world, giving rise to a vibrant student culture and intellectual atmosphere. The city's medieval charm is encapsulated in its portico-lined streets, which lead to treasures like the Two Towers and the Basilica di San Petronio. Bologna's blend of old-world beauty, progressive spirit, and culinary prowess creates a captivating destination that reflects the heart of Italian culture. Number 2. Capri. Capri, a slice of paradise in the Tyrrhenian Sea, enchants with its breathtaking beauty and upscale allure. The island's rugged coastline is a masterpiece of nature, with the stunning Blue Grotto as its jewel, where iridescent blue waters shimmer beneath a natural sea cave. The Piazzetta, a charming square, buzzes with cafes and boutiques, while the Augustus Gardens offer panoramic views of the Faraglione rock formations. Capri's elegance extends to its glamorous lifestyle, attracting celebrities and jet-setters to its luxurious hotels and designer boutiques. From the historic charm of Capri to the soothing Mediterranean breeze, Capri is an enchanting escape that weaves nature's wonders with an air of sophistication. Number 1. Rome. Rome, the Eternal City, stands as a living testament to millennia of history, art, and culture. Its iconic landmarks, such as the Colosseum, where gladiators once battled, and the Roman Forum, a hub of ancient life, transport visitors back in time. The Vatican City, an independent enclave, houses the awe-inspiring St. Peter's Basilica and the Vatican Museums, home to the Sistine Chapel's mesmerizing frescoes. Rome's vibrant streets lead to the Spanish Steps, the bustling Trevi Fountain, and the Pantheon, a marvel of engineering and architecture. The aroma of Italian cuisine wafts from trattorias and markets, offering a culinary journey through local flavors. Rome's blend of ancient grandeur and modern vibrancy creates an unforgettable experience that resonates with the pulse of history.